Hello. Hello, Anna. Hello, Mary. How are you today? How old are you, Anna? How old are you? Very good. How old are you, Mary? Very good. Anna. There are how many people there are in your family? 1, 2, 3, or 4, or 5? Four. Who are they? Who are they? Mom, and me. Say, very good. Mary, there are how many people in your family? 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? Very good. Who are they? Mom, Dad, brother, Grandpa, and Grandma, and me. Say, and me. Very good. Very good. Now, yes, this is college. So we start now to practice some words in English. Are you ready? Okay, then let's start. Anna, what's this? What color is it? Very good. Mary, what's this? Butterfly. What color is it? Very good. Now, Anna, who is she? Do you have sister? Very good. Does she have curly hair? No, very good. Mary, who is he? Do you have brother? How old is your brother? He is 10 years old. Very good. Now, Anna, what's this? What color is it? Do you like tomato? Very good. Mary, what's this? What color is it? Very good. Do you like carrot? Very good. Anna, what's this? Very good. Do you like sandwich? I do. Mary, what's this? Do you like ice cream? Is it cold or hot? It's cold. Very good. For you? Anna, what's this? Do you have a dog? Very good. Mary, what's this? Do you have teddy bear? What color is it? Very good. Yellow color. Anna, what number is it? Do you like? What number do you like? What number do you like? 8? 8? Yes? Say you like 7. Mary, what number is it? What number do you like? 8 or 7? Very good. You like 7. Anna, what shape is it? Star. What color is it? Very good. Mary, what shape is it? What color is it? Very good. Yellow. Anna, what's this? Very stop, things are here. How it was. Very good. Mary, what's this? What color is it? Very good. That's all. High five. High five. High five. High five. That was all. Goodbye, everyone. See you later. Bye.